Hi there, it's Chelle, and Clint is cleaning litter boxes. Isn't that fun? So, we are done with this journal. I love it. I love the cover. I think it turned out really cute. And there's the spine. It's about a 2-inch spine. And then the back has that gorgeous lace all over it. So I did put this flower on it because that's what inspired the book, and it just wouldn't have looked right to me. So kind of like a satin ribbon, I did put some glue on the edges of it so it wouldn't come unfrayed. Thought about trying to burn them, but I just put glue on them. Let's see what we have. There is about 15 pages in each signature, which equals about, let's see, 15 times 2 is 30, times 2 is 60, so about 120 pages front and back. This kit is called Lilac Sky, and it is by Betty over at Betty's Custom Designs on Etsy. She also has a YouTube, same name, and that will be listed below. This is some Kool-Aid dyed paper. This is a belly band that is interactive, and this one I made with a little pocket in there, and then I just put a tag. I looked in my stash this morning and found some purple stuff, so tag, a little journaling card, because I tell you, having a stash saves you some time when you're working on the books. So I have a cute little paper clip here, and I had a little opening, so I just cut a little tag for in there. And then this is, oops, let's see if I can get it back in there. There it goes. This is a little mixed media piece that I had. I made about 5 or 6 years ago, and I thought, you know, I'm going to add that too, because it's always fun to put some of your own artwork in there. A doily has a little napkin decoupaged on it. Some stenciling. Here's a page of that kit. And this is a piece of that eco-dyed paper that somebody sent me, and I'm sorry, I can't remember who it was. I know she was international. And then here, I just put a tag in here, and then I have this little piece left over, but you can decorate that or you can journal on that. Just kind of put all my scraps in here, and then I'll go through anything that goes to this kit I will include. This was just a little pocket somebody made. I didn't put anything in it, but I thought it was so cute, and so I just popped that in there, but you can put whatever you want to in there. Fabric flip that Clint made. Isn't that cute? You could even hide something under there, huh, Gwendolyn? Edith Holden pages. Hi, Daddy. Kool-Aid dyed paper. Page from the kit, and I love that. And then in the center, I put a key, a heart, and then a little piece that says peace on it that I had in my charms. Edith Holden, beautiful pages. This was an envelope, and if I can find a couple of paper clips, I might go ahead and just paper clip that to the page. So I just put some of like the leftovers that I didn't use, so you can decorate with those if you'd like. Yeah, I think I'm going to find a paper clip. This was like a little thing that just came to me, so it's just another journaling spot. No, ma'am. I know, honey. Mommy's almost done. And then it just kind of locks in place with this. And then here's a little pocket here. And then this is the piece to hold the other piece on. So I just tucked this in there. So I just thought that was cute. There's that eco-dyed paper, paper from the kit. And there's lace throughout. Sorry, Clint's already overdone it. Yesterday we did our drain in our bathtub, so that was a lot of fun and a lot of energy. Second signature. This is one of those tri-fold or quadruple fold things, journaling, and then this again is just a little interactive piece inspired by Etsy. Edith Holden, doily, another one of those envelopes with some goodies tucked inside. Little card, so cute. So cute. And then this was just some scrapbook paper I had. And then this, I just ended up putting a tag here, so you could make that into a secret tuck spot if you wanted to. There's a little pocket, and then just one of my altered playing cards tucked in there. And then here's another pocket, and this is a little paper pad. Like I said, I ran out this morning and looked. I got the propane all heated up, running and everything. And then here is a little butterfly key and a heart. Another little pocket with a tag behind it. Then in here I just put a little inspirational card. So cute. Coffee dyed paper, another piece from the kit. Love that kit. Thank you, Betty, for letting me use it. That's beautiful Edith Holden paper. And then on here we have those 3 little tags and 3 pockets. I love that. I'm definitely going to include that in more of my journals. Kool-Aid dyed paper, and then the last page. So this will go up in my Etsy store 2 o'clock.
Well, later. People going to church and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Go to lunch.
Trying to think. Well, and it's mountain time, so it's kind of hard to do it for everyone else. Let's do 4 o'clock mountain time, I guess. Or 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. I'm just going to say 4. 4 o'clock mountain time. So, because, you know, it's kind of hard to rearrange it, Clint said, for people's church and stuff, but, you know, everyone watching is in all different time frames. So, 4 o'clock today, mountain time, it's 3/21, 2021, and it's 9:30 now, so that should give you plenty of time if you're interested in this journal, and that link will be below. So thank you guys so much for all of your views. Thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.